everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to show you an easy step-to-step process on how to log in to BMO Harris Bank account on your computer. If you've recently opened up a bank account on BMO Harris and you'd like to get online access to it right from your computer or mobile devices, then you'll need to be logged in to your online banking account. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser. In the web address field that pops up at the top, type in www.bmoharris.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of BMO Harris Bank, which looks like this. In the right hand side, you should see a secure login box. Go ahead and enter your user ID that is associated with your online banking account in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can retrieve it back by clicking on Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you happen to forget your user ID, click on Forgot Your User ID link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your user ID. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for BMO Harris Bank, then you can click on Enroll Now link and register yourself by simply following the instructions. Finally, after you're done typing in your user ID and your password, you can click on the login button in red, and that is how you should be able to get access to your BMO Harris online banking account right away from your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.